Investing in cryptocurrency through the Luno app is a straightforward process. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, you need to create an account. Open the Luno app and sign up by providing your email address, creating a password, and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once your account is set up, you must complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. This involves submitting necessary documents such as your ID and proof of address to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Next, you'll need to add funds to your Luno account. Link your bank account to the app and deposit funds using the available payment methods, which can include bank transfers, credit cards, or debit cards. With funds in your account, you can now explore the various cryptocurrencies available for trading on Luno. The app typically supports popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. When you're ready to make a purchase, select the cryptocurrency you want to invest in, enter the amount, and execute the purchase order. The app will display the current price and the details of the transaction. After purchasing, you can monitor and manage your investments through the app. You'll be able to see the value of your holdings, view historical data, and track market trends. If you decide to sell your cryptocurrency, navigate to the sell option in the app, select the amount you want to sell, and place a sell order. The funds from your sale can be withdrawn to your linked bank account whenever you need them. It's crucial to be aware of the risks involved in cryptocurrency investments. The market is highly volatile, so only invest money that you can afford to lose.